Retirement can be a scary thought for many people. The idea of not having a steady income and relying on savings can be daunting. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we'll explore the importance of saving for retirement and how it can help you live a comfortable life in your golden years. Imagine being able to retire comfortably, travel the world, and spend time with loved ones without worrying about finances. That's the dream, and it's achievable with proper planning and saving. Let's start by understanding how much you need to save for retirement. There are many retirement calculators available online that can help you estimate your retirement expenses and the amount you need to save to achieve your retirement goals. Factors such as your current age, retirement age, life expectancy, and expected expenses in retirement are taken into account to give you an estimate of how much you need to save. But it's not just about knowing how much you need to save. It's also about starting early and being consistent with your savings. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can add up over time and make a significant difference in your retirement savings. In this video, we'll explore different retirement savings options and strategies to help you achieve your retirement goals. So, let's get started. There are several retirement savings options available, and it's essential to choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. One popular option is a 401k plan, which is a retirement savings plan offered by many employers. With 401k, you can contribute a portion of your pre-tax income, and your employer may also match a portion of your contributions. The money in your 401k grows tax-free until you withdraw it in retirement. However, there are penalties for withdrawing the money before the age of 59 1/2. Another option is an individual retirement account IRA, which is a retirement savings account that you can open on your own. There are two types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you can contribute pre-tax income, and the money grows tax-free until you withdraw it in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax income, and the money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free in retirement. It's essential to understand the differences between these retirement savings options and choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. A financial advisor can help you make an informed decision. Remember, the key is to start saving early and be consistent with your contributions. The more you save, the more comfortable your retirement will be. Saving for retirement can be challenging, especially if you have other financial obligations, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a house. But there are strategies you can use to make retirement savings a priority. The first step is to create a budget and prioritize your expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards retirement savings. For example, you can save money by cooking at home instead of eating out, or by cancelling subscriptions you don't use. Another strategy is to use a cashback rewards credit card for your everyday expenses and use the cashback rewards to fund your retirement savings. You can also set up automatic contributions to your retirement account, so you don't have to think about it. This way, you're consistently saving without even realizing it. Finally, it's essential to review your retirement savings plan regularly and make adjustments as needed. A financial advisor can help you stay on track and make informed decisions. Remember, the key is to start early, be consistent, and make retirement savings a priority. With the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your retirement goals and live a comfortable life in your golden years. Saving for retirement has many benefits beyond just having a comfortable retirement. Let's explore some of these benefits. First, saving for retirement can reduce your taxable income. Contributions to a traditional 401k or IRA are made with pre-tax income, which reduces your taxable income for the year. Second, saving for retirement can lead to a tax refund. If you contribute to a traditional IRA or 401k, you may be eligible for a tax deduction, which can lead to a tax refund. Third, saving for retirement can increase your Social Security benefits. Social Security benefits are based on your average earnings over your working years. The more you earn, the higher your benefits will be. Finally, saving for retirement can give you peace of mind and reduce financial stress. Knowing that you have a plan in place for retirement can help you feel more secure and confident about your financial future. In summary, saving for retirement has many benefits beyond just having a comfortable retirement. It can reduce your taxable income, lead to tax refund, increase your Social Security benefits, and give you peace of mind. So, start saving today and reap the benefits in the future. In conclusion, saving for retirement is essential for a comfortable and secure future. It's never too early or too late to start saving, and there are many retirement savings options and strategies available to help you achieve your goals. Remember to prioritize retirement savings in your budget, be consistent with your contributions, and review your retirement savings plan regularly. A financial advisor can help you make informed decisions and stay on track. Saving for retirement may seem daunting, but it's worth it. Imagine being able to retire comfortably, travel the world, and spend time with loved ones without worrying about finances. That's the dream, and it's achievable with proper planning and saving. So take the first step today and use a retirement calculator to estimate your retirement expenses and the amount you need to save. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your retirement goals and live a comfortable life in your golden years. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your retirement savings journey.